Ini private property.
Hey guys, good morning everyone. Today is another day in Dolomites and it's going to be a chill day. If you missed our videos on our hike, our two hikes actually in Dolomites, you can check out the links up here, or probably I'll link them in the description. Today is a chill day because we've been hiking so much for the past few days, so we're quite tired. And right now we're gonna just drive around Dolomites and see what's there to see without any hikes. And now we're in Alonso di Cadore. This is one of that spot where I'm going to hopefully fulfill my childhood dreams of running on a frozen lake. And I think this is completely frozen right now. Sadly, unfortunately, I don't think we'll be running on any frozen lakes today because it's not fully frozen. Some parts are frozen, like you see that part there is frozen, but there's a huge part where it's completely melted. So it is a high risk to walk on it. Yeah, probably not gonna do that, but let's see. I'm gonna walk a bit further, and if there's any parts where I can feel confident to run on it, probably I will. Yeah. Okay guys, let's see whether this works.
Baby, no! Don't! Please don't!
Wow. It's holding.
Nanti kamu jatuh.
Oh my god, it works guys. It's okay.
Okay, don't go all the way there.
Yeah. It's quite precarious though. There are some sounds over at the side of the banks when I walk on it. Whereas otherwise, yeah, I walk on it. Freaking hell. Let me take palm push up first.
What the hell?
Okay guys, this next part I didn't manage to capture it with my regular camera. It's only shot on the drone, which has no microphone of course. So I'm gonna do a voiceover. Hey, get off the lake! Oh sorry! We gotta get off the lake now! Guys, the drone shots was epic, but don't do this guys. It's illegal. Just now one guy came and shouted at us and asked us to get off from the lake because it is actually very dangerous. We were just lucky, so don't try this at home. Don't try this at Dolomites. By the way guys, we left this bottle inside the car and look what happened to it. It became ice. There's an iceberg in the water bottle. Ah! Oh, it's gone. No, it's still there. Hey guys, so this is the next lake. This is Lago di Pandro. Lago di Landro. Okay. And that's Monte Piano over there.
Piana.
Piana. I'm so horrible with Italian names. But yeah, Monte Piana, Lago di Landro. And it's frozen, but it's covered with snow, so it's not as epic as the lake just now. But good enough. Hopefully we can make a snow angel. Yeah, because Bahri is a pro at that. Okay, let's fly the drone.
Since the number one
That dog over there just now is so cute. He was chasing after the drone shadow, and now that the drone has landed, he's confused. Where is the drone? Where's the drone shadow? He's looking for it. Such a cute dog.
They are building their own hockey field.
Yup.
Like they literally, you know, shove all the ice and everything like that.
All the snow. Hey doggy, hi! Hey buddy!
Try to find.
He's still looking for the drone shadow. He's not there. Alright guys, that was fun, but it's off to another lake. Our main stop for the day, this is Lago de Brai. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right. We have to do a bit of hiking because we decided to park at the free parking. The paid parking is about €8 per day. The free parking is free, but you just have to hike a bit. So over here, it seems there's always an option not to pay for parking. It's just that you have to walk slightly further, but it's good. You save €8 and then you get your exercise in. So usually there's a boat here, and this is a very Instagrammable shot that everybody takes of the Dolomites. Unfortunately today, because it's winter, it's completely white. It's covered in snow. It's hard ground. There's no color. So can you imagine in summer, if it's turquoise blue, it would be so epic. With the background of that mountain over there. Yeah, sadly it's not today, but it's okay. A different kind of view. Right, so guys, we decided to just head off because it is quite disappointing. The problem is also because we're getting a bit snobbish already. Once you've already seen the best, like for example Trecime de Lavaredo, the rest look very normal. I'm sure if we'd seen this on the first day, it would have been so epic, but because we're now seeing this only on our second last day, it becomes very routine to us. Yeah, so I guess a personal advice is maybe try to see all these other normal attractions and then go towards like Trecime or the hike in Pozzale, because that one is also really beautiful. Do that as your climax or as your finale.
If the weather is good.
If the weather is good. But still, the dam this morning that we see, the one that we took the risk and walk on the surface, I think that would be the nicest lake. It's not a lake, but you can consider it a lake. Yeah,
It was a lake.
It was a lake?
Yeah,
but it is a dam, right?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
they put...
Yeah, they name it as a lago, so yeah. It counts.
Later.
Hey guys, so we stopped at the side of the road here. The view behind us is pretty amazing. The view is amazing because there's actually a church over there. Oh, my hand is shaking because it's quite cold. There's a church over there, and then behind it you see the background. It's insane. Okay, with the drone it will be even better. Okay, let's go.